I'm very sorry, ma'am. I cannot price match Amazon. Your prices have gotten way too expensive. Yep, I completely understand.
I get it, you know, inflation, but this is just insanity. I mean, who can afford these prices? Excuse me, ma'am. I need a color match. Excuse me, I want to speak to your manager.
This is why I should have bought
Why are you
I don't know
out
what
there?
they're doing.
I need you to grab a
fragrance
to your daughter.
I'd like to buy a gift card.
All right, everybody, it's a fire alarm. Everybody out of the store right now. Let's go, let's go.
What? Can you just finish cashing me out really quick? No, this is literally an evacuation.
Everybody make your way to the exit, please.
I don't want to risk losing my place in line. Are you kidding me? There's literally a fire alarm. That means everybody out.
Everybody out.
Lexi, she's